In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide or show ribbon in Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so usually the ribbon is normally found below the title bar and it gives you access to more functionality or formatting features. As you can see, I don't have the ribbon here and I'll wish to go ahead and display it. To display the ribbon in Outlook, just go ahead and look for this show layouts. And by clicking on it, now you have more features that you can use to customize or to format your text and document. Should you want to hide this ribbon, for instance, you want more space, you can also go ahead and minimize this ribbon by hiding it. To hide it, again, go ahead on this icon and then click on it, and this will minimize the ribbon to give you more working space. So that's how you can hide or show ribbon in Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.